Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the markets, the Jubilee market in downtown Kingston. Now, the Jubilee market was recently renovated and it's now called the Jubilee Commercial Center. It's located at the same place and it's going to house 40 vendors. Now, as you know, the government is spending a lot of money in redeveloping downtown Kingston. They're building the northern parking garage by the UDC office by Princess Street. They're doing the Kingston Harbor Walk where they're going to be putting in the harbor a boardwalk similar to what's by Palisades Strip. They're doing the Kingston waterfront improvement project, and they're investing a lot in downtown Kingston. Also, Bank of Jamaica is building a second 10th-floor building in downtown Kingston. So a lot is being done, and the government has certain tax benefits, certain initiatives for the private sector companies to set up operation in downtown Kingston. And recently, the Port Royal Street revetment project was done, and they built a boardwalk, and you have a very nice entrance going into Kingston now. Well, one of the problems with downtown Kingston is illegal vending and the state of the market. So it's very good that the government is moving vendors from off the streets into renovated new markets. This will definitely help the situation in downtown Kingston. And a lot of private companies are also investing heavily in downtown Kingston. A lot of these old buildings that you're looking at now, they are going to be renovated. For example, Grace Kennedy bought a few buildings on Harbor Street and they are going to be operating them. So this is King Street. As you can see, very busy place. Redevelopment of the Jubilee Commercial Center, formerly called the Jubilee Market, marks a significant step in improving downtown Kingston's accessibility and infrastructure, says Mayor of Kingston, Councillor Andrew Swaby. 40 vendors are now occupying the newly refurbished facility, which was officially reopened by the mayor on February 5th. As part of the transformation, the relocation of vendors will help ease congestion on the streets and create a more organized commercial environment. Addressing the monthly meeting of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, in downtown Kingston, the mayor said that the initiative extends beyond providing a marketplace. This is more than just a market, it's a place of commerce, where our vendors can operate with dignity, stability, and security, he said. To maintain order and sustainability, vendors are required to sign a lease with the KSAMC, obtain proper electricity connections through the Jamaica Public Service Company, and adhere to established rules. This space must be maintained. We can't allow it to fall into disrepair. No subletting will be allowed. These allotted spaces must operate their businesses themselves, Mayor Swaby said. He noted that vendors who have secured spots inside the facility must not revert to street vending. We are keeping the area sterile. Vendors inside cannot return to the streets. This was agreed upon and we expect compliance, he said. The mayor encouraged the vendors to establish a market committee to engage directly with the KSAMC to ensure ongoing dialogue and cooperation. This project represents our commitment to structured urban development. We will continue to support our small business community, but we must also work together to ensure that this investment serves its full purpose for years to come, Mayor Swaby said. Let us move forward with the same spirit of progress, discipline, and innovation as we shape the future of Kingston and St. Andrew, he added. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, Have a good day.